Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. So this is my first recipe video from our new kitchen. So I thought I can start with a sweet recipe. So today I am going to show you how to make bread halwa. So before we start, let us quickly take a look at the ingredients.
I have taken 4 bread slices and cut them into pieces. That is, I have cut one bread piece into 4 pieces and 2 cardamoms finely chopped, 400 ml of milk, 200 ml of condensed milk. You can adjust this condensed milk according to the sweetness that you prefer. 200 grams of kova, which is sweetened, oil to fry the bread pieces, 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee, cashew nuts, almond which I have soaked in water and I have cut them, and this is cucumber seeds. You can also replace this with pine nuts, and you can take these nuts as per your preference. So here in a pan I'm going to add the milk and boil this for around 4 to 5 minutes and let it thicken a little. Keep stirring it so that it doesn't get burnt from the bottom. I'm also going to add the cardamom pieces to the milk so that the flavor of the cardamom can get inside the milk. Along with this, I'm going to add the condensed milk and mix it well. Actually, the original recipe of this is made using sugar syrup, but most of them are avoiding sugar syrup, and I know condensed milk is made out of sugar and kova is again made out of sugar, but then to make this recipe a little creamier, I'm using condensed milk and kova. And in another pan, I'm going to deep fry the bread pieces. Make sure the bread pieces turn golden brown in color so that it can give a nice rich color to the bread halwa. So the bread pieces are now fried, and to the milk which is boiling, I'm going to add the bread pieces so that it can soak all the milk and also the condensed milk. Let it sit idle for around 2 to 3 minutes until it soaks all the goodness from the milk. Now to another pan, I'm adding around 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee. You can also add less amount of ghee if you're going to serve this for elders, and if you're going to give this for your kids, you can definitely add 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee. So to the ghee, I'm going to add cashew nuts and roast it until it turns light brown in color, and I'm going to add half cucumber seeds and fry it, and the other half I'm going to add it as it is so that the texture and the crunchiness of the nuts can be felt when we eat the bread halwa. And the same with the almonds, I'm going to add half of the almonds. So now I'm going to add all the nuts that I have fried in the ghee to the pan along with the kova. I'm going to give it a nice mix. If in case you're taking unsweetened kova, you can take 300 to 400 ml of condensed milk. Now I'm also adding the other nuts that I have kept aside, and I'm going to give it a nice mix and let it sit on the flame for around 2 to 3 minutes. And the consistency of this halwa will not get thickened up later, so this is the exact consistency for this halwa, and it's ready, so it's time to serve. So if you are planning for a get together, or if you want to prepare something for your kids healthy and rich in flavor, you can definitely give this a try. And I'm going to garnish this with some sliced almond pieces. That's it, our recipe is ready. Definitely give it a try and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. So this is very easy and a healthy recipe.
It's time to taste. This really tastes awesome. It's very sweet and I can feel the crunchiness from all the nuts that I have added, and also this is very creamy as we have added milk and all those other ingredients. Definitely give this a try. I'm sure you will never be disappointed. Do try and share your feedback in the comment section below, and if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting vlog. Until then, take care. Bye.